If the house is so big, why is it so quiet? You stand in a hallway with walls of stars, the floor a dark, endless road. There is no sound, no footsteps, no voices, only you. The silence is heavy, a question hanging in the air. You walk through this cosmic house, each star a window into another room, another possibility. Only your own breathing fills the void. The silence feels like a presence, a patient stillness older than you. The vastness becomes unsettling. The stars close doors. You are a single thought in a mind gone quiet. The question beats like a second heart inside your chest, and you keep walking, searching for an answer that never comes. Look up at the night sky, thousands of stars, each a sun, each a possible home. The Milky Way alone holds hundreds of billions of stars, more than grains of sand on Earth. Each sun is a chance for life, a cosmic experiment running for billions of years. Logic says the universe should be teeming with life, yet when we listen, we hear nothing. Our radio telescopes strain for a single intelligent whisper, but the cosmos remains stubbornly quiet. No messages, no songs, no conversations, just the random crackle of dying stars. The lines are open, but no one is calling. This silence is the great contradiction. So many worlds, so much time, and yet only us. What if the silence is the answer? What if we are truly alone? Or is there another reason for the quiet, something we cannot yet grasp? The silence from the stars is not empty. It is filled with a profound, unsettling question. It hangs over us, a reminder of our smallness in the grand, silent cosmic theatre. Imagine time as a vast, dark ocean. The universe began as a single drop, rippling outward for nearly 14 billion years. Humanity's story is a fleeting splash on this ocean's surface. For most of Earth's history, life was simple, drifting in planetary seas. Our species arrived in the last seconds of the cosmic day. We are cosmic infants, just opening our eyes to the universe. The universe did not wait for us. Stars have been born and died, galaxies collided, worlds formed and vanished. If other intelligent beings exist, they had a tremendous head start. Some stars are billions of years older than our sun. Their civilizations could be ancient. So where are they? Their presence should be obvious. Grand structures, signals, cosmic footprints. Yet we see no ruins, no evidence, only stars and dust, untouched. The cosmic ocean is vast and ancient, but appears pristine. We are left to wonder, are we the first to arrive, or just the latest to ask? The silence is not just absence. It is a mystery as deep as the ocean itself. We drift, searching for signs, but find only our own reflection in the void. The universe waits, silent and immense. The question finally took on a name, Fermi's Paradox. During a lunch, physicist Enrico Fermi asked, "But where is everybody?" The numbers say life should be common. The evidence says otherwise. Billions of stars, billions of years, and yet no sign of anyone else. The galaxy should be bustling, noisy with civilizations. Instead, we find only silence. A contradiction at the heart of our search. No artifacts, no signals, no cosmic neighbors. It's as if you walked into a forest and found only trees, no animals, no birds, just quiet. The silence is more frightening than any sound. Fermi's paradox is not an answer, but a challenge, a reminder of how little we know. It forces us to wonder, what are we missing? The question echoes unanswered through the halls of science. What if the silence is not a mystery, but an answer? What if we are the first, consciousness awakening for the first time in this galaxy? The art we create, the love we feel, these could be new phenomena in the universe. We would be the first voice in the great silence, the universe's first attempt to know itself. This possibility is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Our survival would matter not just for us, but for the universe itself. If we fail, the silence returns, and the universe continues, unaware of its brief moment of wonder. The weight of that responsibility asks us to be better than we are. Are we ready to be the galaxy's first mind? The silence becomes a mirror, reflecting our potential and our fragility. What if the great silence is the result of a process, a series of great filters? Civilizations must survive their own technology, avoid self-destruction, and manage their resources. Perhaps most fail. The silence is the echo of universal failure. Maybe every young civilization destroys itself before reaching the stars. The empty sky could be a graveyard, the light of distant stars a collection of tombstones. Intelligence may be a self-destructive trait. We are not the first, just the next to face the same war. The greatest dangers may come from within us. The Fermi Paradox becomes a call to action. Will we break the pattern or fade into the quiet? The silence is a challenge. Are we different? Imagine a different silence, not absence, but intention. What if the universe is a garden, and the oldest civilizations are gardeners? They have learned that contact is often destructive. To them, we are a fragile wildflower, best left to grow undisturbed. The silence is respect, a carefully maintained quarantine. We are in a cosmic nature preserve, watched from afar. The others wait for us to mature, to solve our own problems. The test is not survival, but wisdom. Perhaps the silence will end when we become gardeners ourselves. Until then, we grow in our beautiful, silent garden, unaware of ancient eyes watching. The silence is patience, measured in eons. The silence changes how you feel the universe. Soft exhale. It becomes a living thing, a vast, sleeping mind. The stars are nerve endings, the galaxies lobes of a cosmic brain. Gentle awe. Your awareness is the universe, experiencing itself. Every question you ask is the universe questioning itself. Softly, the line between you and the cosmos dissolves. Gentle wonder. You are not alone on a rock. You are the universe's sense of wonder and loneliness, softly, with warmth. Your purpose is to witness, to feel, to question. The silence is not a problem, but a condition to be experienced. Soft, reflective. Your existence gives meaning to a small corner of this vast entity. Gentle awe. The loneliness and awe you feel are the universe's own. Softly, with a sense of searching, you listen to the silence, searching for understanding within yourself. We have walked through the great quiet house and listened to the silence. We have considered being first, last, or simply protected. Each idea is a different kind of loneliness. The Fermi Paradox grows deeper as we learn more. We are a species defined by curiosity, compelled to ask and to listen. We send our signals, golden records, messages in bottles into the dark. We do not know if anyone will ever find them, or if there is anyone to find them, but we send them anyway. It is in our nature to call out. The silence remains the most persistent fact of our existence. Yet this knowledge can be a source of wonder. We are the ones who get to see the stars, to ask the questions. We are keepers of a fragile flame of meaning in a universe that seems to have none. The stars look back, indifferent and silent. We are woven into the fabric of this grand, silent mystery. The silence is not just out there, but inside us in the quiet moments of reflection. After all the theories and listening, we are left with a haunting question. Is it better to be the only voice, or one of many that can never be heard. Sometimes I wonder if the silence is an answer in itself, or just a pause before something unexpected. Softly, with a hint of vulnerability. There are nights when I feel the weight of that quiet, and it stirs something both hopeful and uneasy within me. In the end, perhaps it is the act of reaching out, of protecting that small, flickering flame that connects us most deeply to what it means to be human. When faced with the vast unknown, will you let the silence close in, or will you keep the flame alive and send your own message into the dark?